All right, so if you've ever run a FiveM server, you know the deal. It can be a total grind, right? A massive headache. So today, we're going to look at a tool that promises to change all that, turning chaos into control. Let's dive into FiveM Hub.
Let's be real for a second. Does it ever feel like you're spending all your time just wrestling with admin panels and digging for data instead of actually, building your community and creating amazing experiences for your players?
I mean, this is the stuff that drives server owners crazy, right? The endless manual tasks, trying to track down player data from like 5 different places. And security? That's a whole other constant worry. All of it just eats up time you could be spending on what really matters, your players.
So, what if you could just bring all of that under one single roof? Well, that's exactly the idea behind FiveM Hub. It's designed to be the one and only professional command center for, well, everything.
And welcome to Mission Control. The first thing you see is this, wow, this incredibly clean dashboard. If you're tired of clutter, this is for you. It gives you an instant, live snapshot of your server's health. You've got your online players, server status, performance, everything you need to see right there at a glance.
I don't think this is just for small-time servers. This thing is built to scale. I mean, look at this example server. It's handling a community of almost 3,000 total players. No sweat.
Okay, but here's where things get really impressive. The economic tracking. The hub tracks the total value of every single asset on your server. In this case, we're talking over $51 million. Now, why does that even matter? Well, it gives you this amazing big picture view of your server's economy. You can spot things like inflation or imbalances way before they spiral out of control. All right, so that big picture view is awesome, but we all know that real management happens down in the details, right? So let's get into the nitty-gritty and see how FiveM Hub gives you that super granular control over every single player and asset in your world.
So think of this as your command roster, your entire player base, all neatly organized and instantly searchable. You can filter by pretty much anything and see who's online right this second. This is basically ground zero for managing every single person in your community.
Okay, so let's pick a player and drill down. With just one click, you pull up a complete profile. And I mean everything. Character info, license IDs, and even their real-time in-game vitals like health and hunger. And of course, the essential admin actions like kicking or banning are right there exactly where you need them.
But the detail goes even deeper. You can jump right in and manage a player's finances directly. This is perfect for handling support tickets or rewarding people after an event. And check this out, the vehicle list. You can see every car they own, where it is, how much fuel it has, and even its current body damage. It's wild.
And to top it all off, complete inventory control. You can see every single item a player is carrying. This kind of oversight is just invaluable for sorting out disputes, spotting cheaters, or just getting a crystal clear picture of what a player has.
Okay, so we've established that managing individual players is totally covered. But what about the server as a whole? Let's take a look at the tools that are designed to streamline your workflow and keep your entire community safe and sound.
This screen here gives you a complete bird's-eye view of every single vehicle on the server. We're talking over 6,000 in this example. You can track which cars are out on the street, which are tucked away in a garage, and who owns what. Honestly, it's the ultimate tool for balancing your vehicle economy and tracking down any lost or stolen rides.
And actually doing things is so simple. Say you need to change a license plate. A little pop-up appears, you type in the new plate, hit enter, and boom. You get an instant, clear confirmation. No more messing with complex commands. It's just fast, intuitive control.
Of course, security is absolutely paramount. The ban manager gives you a completely transparent log of every single ban, active or expired. You can see the reason, which admin issued it, and for how long. This gives you the kind of accountability you need to maintain order fairly and consistently.
For all you technical admins out there, this is a total game changer. You get a complete overview of every script running on your server. You can see what's active, what's stopped, and you can take immediate action, like restarting a broken script, all from this web panel. You never even have to touch an SSH terminal.
Okay, so we've seen the raw control you get, but what about insight? What about understanding what's actually happening? This is where FiveM Hub really starts to flex its muscles, giving you the data you need to understand your community and make smarter decisions.
You know what they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. This simple chart visualizes total playtime, so you can instantly see who your most dedicated players are and get a feel for the key activity trends on your server.
And remember that massive server economy we talked about? Here it is, all broken down. This chart gives you a super quick snapshot of how wealth is distributed between bank accounts, cash, and even crypto. This is absolutely vital information for keeping your server's economy balanced and healthy.
Okay, now this is one of the coolest features for sure. A full, real-time, tactical map of your entire server. You can see where every single online player is located at a glance, and then you can zoom right into a street-level view to see exactly where the action is happening.
And this map isn't just for looking at, it's fully interactive. Right from this view, you can teleport a player, you can send out a server-wide announcement, or you can drop a marker for an event. It basically turns you from just an admin into a true in-game director.
So look, if you're ready to move past the basic, clunky tools and really take professional-level control of your server, you're probably wondering, how do you get started? Well, they've got a few different plans tailored to fit whatever your needs are. Whether you're running just one server or managing a whole network of them, the plans scale up to include more servers, and they even offer custom integrations if you have unique inventory or garage systems.
At the end of the day, the takeaway is simple. Stop spending all your time fighting with your tools and start focusing on what actually matters, your community. If you want to learn more, just head over to FiveMHub.net or hop in their Discord. They've got 24/7 support, so you're never on your own. So the only question left is, are you ready to build a better server?